Hi and welcome back. I would appreciate if you would consider subscribing to my channel if you're interested with anything that has to do with DIYs or home decor. And with that being said, let me not waste any more time and let's get into this DIY. Alright, so starting off, you will need some vases I got some from Target, the white and the black one, and the brown one is from Goodwill. So make sure to go to your thrift store and check some vases out. They have some really cool vases, and this one was $1.99. And as you can see by the title, they are going to be neutral vases. So I'm going to go ahead and mix those colors together using some baking powder to get that texture, that thick consistency. And for the colors, I will leave them in the description box below if you are interested and want to match the exact same colors. Target also had some other tiny ones that they came out with during the spring right now in their Bullseye section, and I also ended up grabbing some of those and painting them as well, the same colors as these. And for those, I do have them on my Instagram, so if you follow me, go ahead and check them out. I will be posting a picture with all of the vases I painted. But yeah, anyways guys, there's really not much to this DIY. I just ended up painting these to the color that I wanted. And before I forget to mention, I did end up doing 2 coats for the colors, and at the end, once I was done, I ended up mixing both of the colors I used to paint the last vase, because honestly I didn't know what other color to use, so I just ended up mixing them together to make my life easier. And you will see further on in the video how these turned out, and guys, I am in love with these. They're just so simple, and the color tones, I don't know, just every time I look at these, they're so calming. But that was it for this DIY, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I have inspired you. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That way you can stay up to date with further videos. And until next time, guys.